셋. Hello guys. 다 같이 하자. 자, 한번. Hello guys. AK here.
OJ, come here.
And of course, AJ.
Wow.
AJ.
Wow. Happy birthday today. Hey, hey.
Happy birthday, OJ.
Okay, so guys, why we are here? Because we're gonna play Destiny game. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes, Destiny challenge. So we have, of course, we have this kind of our destiny is in the hands of this iPad.
Okay.
Of course, and we need to choose. There's 3 sticks here. If you can see, there's 3 sticks here. So we need to get 1 stick for each. So pili kami ng tig-isang stick, and then kung anong napili niyang stick, it will be with this stages. So yung first stage is, of course, you'll eat the noodle here.
Korean
Right?
Okay.
It's a Korean noodle. Diba? And then,
We call it kuksu.
or kuksu.
Okay.
And of course, there's 2 person lang na matatalo. I mean, who will get caught in the act.
Okay.
And then, there's 1 lucky guy. Okay, so hindi siya kakain ng noodle. He doesn't have to eat the noodle, anything. So there's 1 lucky guy. There's 1 lucky person.
I'm
and
lucky
then,
guy.
Yeah.
and then, explain the second stage.
Okay, and at the second stage we have 7 kinds of soup. So the first stage loser to who we're gonna eat noodles will pick up the soup.
But
The
how
others-
many scoops or how many do we need to put in our cups?
4 spoons. 4
Four
spoons.
spoons.
Yep.
4 spoons.
4
So we
spoons.
have to eat 4.
Yes, correct. With the soup, clearly with the soup. But I think that's not an end. We have still have a next stage, right?
Yes, we have a third stage, guys. So hindi lang yan. Hindi lang ito, guys. Just imagine, we will be eating these noodles. We will be eating at this time is midnight, guys. It's more than 12 o'clock in the midnight. Anyway, after putting these 4 spoons sa inyong mga baso, sa aming mga baso, of course yung mga losers lang except the lucky guy, right? We will be eating also together. This is 1 each, am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 each of these guys. Like 3 pieces of kimchi, 3 pieces of pickle, 3 pieces of anchovies, and 3 pieces of
coffee bean. It's
Coffee
raw.
bean.
It's not
It's
roasted,
raw.
right?
What happened?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
okay.
know I'm a lucky man. I'm excited.
Oh.
So let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Alright guys, so who are gonna do first?
My birthday today. Okay.
Okay.
my
Okay.
birthday.
You go first. Okay. Let me shake it for you. Yeah, OJ, go OJ.
Okay, come on.
Pink man.
Okay, there is still 50-50%
Yes.
for the lucky guy. Who will be lucky guy? We still have 2.
Yeah,
You gonna do first?
Okay, yeah.
Alright.
Okay, here.
You in! Yeah! I'm the lucky guy!
We are the losers, so we need to choose which soup we're gonna
Okay.
put in our
Yeah.
noodles.
Okay.
So who will choose first?
Go AJ. OJ.
I don't like it.
Go OJ.
Korean
man who are lucky.
You're a lucky
Okay.
guy, man. So 4 spoons. 4 spoons.
spoons.
Yeah. Now for HJ, it's your time for your soup.
Okay, I'll choose mine. Ah, please.
What is it?
something
What is it?
nice.
What is it? Mineral water! Oh, it's not bad.
Not bad, not bad, not
Yeah,
bad.
it's not bad.
Mineral
Not bad.
water.
Here's a mineral water.
Oops. 4 spoons, right?
Yeah. Now we have still toppings,
Thirsty.
right?
With kimchi. With kimchi.
You see, there's a kimchi, with raw coffee bean, anchovy, and a pickles.
kimchi.
Good luck, guys. Good luck, guys.
with
Good luck,
kimchi.
guys. Who we gonna do first?
I'm kimchi color. I want a kimchi color.
Pink color. Yeah, it's a raw coffee bean.
You got the raw coffee bean.
Yeah,
guys.
yeah, yeah. I'm the chef.
don't-
No,
no,
no
you
worries.
don't-
I already
you don't
washed
have-
my
you don't-
hand.
you don't have to-
1, 2.
You don't have to bad.
All right. Next is for
Nice.
Anchovy!
Anchovy.
It's okay, I love anchovy.
Yeah, kuya.
wait lang.
We will choose a big one for you.
Okay,
Yeah, one guy.
This one, yeah. Well. Baby shark, baby shark.
Last anchovy. Yay!
Yay!
Guys, now it's time to enjoy it.
Keep tight, man. Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow.
Wait, can we use chopstick for this?
Yeah, sure. But guys, you need to finish with the soup.
Yes, of course. Mine's
There
with the
should be
water.
no left of any drops.
More
of
shaking,
with the
more
water.
shaking, more shaking like that. More shaking. So you know what I mean, like make it like that, and more.
Yeah, yours looks better.
Oh my god! Oh my god! What is
More
this?
shaking. Okay, let's go. Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow! Yeah! Okay. OJ, you still have a 2 coffee bean, man. Yeah, actually, it's also done. Wow, how's anchovy and a coffee? Okay, guys, no any drop of soup, right? Yeah. Okay. Guys are clear.
Not too bad. Oh.
All right, guys.
Mine's not.
How do you say rock scissors paper in Tagalog?
Bato pick.
Bato pick. Okay, this time let's do the bato
Oh,
pick.
go
So
better,
the
yeah.
winner will choose first. Okay. Okay, guys.
Bato
pick.
Oh.
Okay, you like that.
Bato
pick. Yay! I'm the lucky guy. So there's a green, pink, blue. Yeah, shake it.
Come on.
I like green. Ikaw!
Okay.
Yeah, who's the next? OJ, right?
Yes, OJ.
Blue.
Yeah!
Leaving my first today. Oh my gosh.
Thank you!
We still have a chance. Right?
Yeah.
If
Yeah.
soup is
Yeah.
right, I will
Yeah.
just enjoy it
I
as a
like-
snack. Yeah.
Okay.
Shake it.
So you're gonna choose which soup
Chocolate.
No, I like soba.
Chocolate.
Let's see.
Chocolate.
Soba means pink, right?
No.
Let's see.
Soba. Ah!
Wasabi.
Wasabi is green. Oh my god.
No, it's really wasabi color. Congratulations.
You can do it.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
It's really strong. Yeah, man.
It's wasabi, man.
Oh my god.
Wasabi, man.
1, 2,
3,
3. You see, my hands are shaking now.
4.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Smell like come
Oh. Ugh.
I'm looking at very light. Maybe I wasabi.
Now it's
Wasabi.
No, not wasabi. No.
Soba.
Come on, wasabi.
Chocolate. Let's go.
Wasabi.
Korean ramen.
So this is
We're
Korean
still
ramen.
lucky, yeah.
Thank you so much. Both right?
Yeah, first
Okay.
one, yeah. Yeah, it's your birthday. Every day is your
Wow.
birthday. Oh, guys, actually, it's not his birthday.
Oh, yeah.
He always says it's his birthday every day. Yeah. All right. So we still have
Last step.
Last stage for this.
for the toppings, right?
Yes, toppings.
For me, kimchi.
Anchovy.
Anchovy.
Come on.
Anchovy.
Kimchi means blue. Yeah. Look.
Coffee bean. Oh. Okay, I'll give you. Okay.
My turn.
Okay.
Oh my god. It's a guksu, wasabi soup, and a coffee bean. What is it? What is
Enjoy,
it?
man. Enjoy, man.
chicken.
You still have it, man. Get your anchovy now.
Kimchi, kimchi, kimchi.
Actually, if it's kimchi, it's perfect.
Yes.
Noodle, ramen soup, and kimchi, right?
I'm lucky guy already.
Pickle.
Yeah, but pickle is not
Pickle.
bad. Yeah, for me, pickle is
I
not
give it
bad.
But I never tried to eat.
Oh my god, it's Hey, come on, look at this. What is this? Guksu, wasabi soup,
Then pickle one.
and coffee bit. Oh,
Let's make it beautiful, guys.
really?
One,
What is this?
two.
Why am I doing this? You called me up and you invited me. You said we're going to eat some delicious things.
Yeah,
Oh,
this is
enjoy, man.
delicious.
So enjoy, man.
Shake, shake, shake.
Ta-da. Yeah, it's already mixed up.
Ready? For sure?
Oh, but it looks so.
We are mix.
It smells so spicy.
We are mix. I'm making 4 cup. I'm making
Oh,
cup
it
for you.
smells good. Yeah, it really smells good.
He's making it even harder for you.
No thanks, man. No thanks, man. Yeah, cheers.
Yeah, cheers.
Woo! Wasabi. Wow. I'm enjoying this, guys. I'm enjoying
wow.
watching them like this.
I never tried to noodle with pickle, but favor like similar Korean 냉면.
Okay.
So delicious. Wow. Wow.
Good luck for you.
Wow. Tastes
But
like
I'm more
real
than
냉면. Wow. Wow. Wow.
What's the taste
Wow.
of wasabi with?
You know, I can feel the taste of Korean noodle here. I can taste here so spicy because of wasabi. And the coffee bit. Oh.
Bitter, right? Too bitter. Too
Yeah.
bitter.
It's bitter with the spiciness.
Spicy,
and
bitter,
Smell like
guksu. Yeah. Oh.
So
But,
great.
but it's very nice
Wow.
combination.
The two noodle, right?
Lucky guy, right? Lucky guy.
Only lucky guy will eat.
Okay.
But I still have two.
So just the loser because anyway we're two, right?
Okay.
So it's one person and one person's two.
Okay.
Yeah.
How?
You want that? You want that?
Let's do betting, man.
You
We are
want that?
man. We are man.
You want that? You want that? You want that?
Let's do it,
You
man.
want that? You.
Okay.
Yeah, you want that?
And then this has to be or this or. Okay. Why not? Let's do it, man.
Yeah, I'm cold. Yeah, I'm cold. Deal. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. 와, 이건 진짜.
One put here.
와, 이거
put here. One put here. One put here. Why?
Okay. Wow, so it's serious, man. And then, whatever you choose, the soup will put everything. Oh my god.
Come on.
Oh my god. So, we have 3 choices, right? So the lucky.
Guys, eat.
Okay. Lucky guy win. Lucky guy win. Lucky guy
엄마, mother.
Okay, bato pick first.
Oh yeah.
Bato, pick. Bato, pick.
Vamos! Bato, pick.
I need to play.
So who will pick up first?
I'll
Wow! Oh my god, it's 50-50.
One more.
Oh my god.
Guys, this one is the other way around. The lucky guy will be the one's gonna eat it. Siya yung kakain.
Oh my
I think
god.
blue is peace color. Peace.
Yeah. Pick up.
Peace.
Lucky guy.
Happy birthday today. Hey.
And then-
guy.
Yeah.
And
Lucky guy. Oh my god.
you Congratulations.
Come on.
Congratulations.
Guys, do you remember earlier I said OJ is the one who said who wanna eat everything in one person. Yeah. Now you see you're the lucky guy. Oh my
Okay, now
God.
let's choose
How
which
many
one.
got my fault each one?
Oh my god.
Really my fault.
Okay.
I hope it's the chocolate.
Don't say that.
Or the wasabi.
Don't comment.
You chose it and then pour everything, right?
Yeah, he said it. He said it.
Why?
And wait. Did he say that we will put all the 3 toppings?
He
right?
said it, right?
Yeah, he said that, right?
Yeah, who said?
Yeah, you.
He said he will put everything, right?
Put everything.
No choose, no
Yeah,
choose, right?
Put
Yeah,
one whole.
One
and
whole.
then pour it.
Yeah. Come on, you said that one. We have video. We have a proof. You want that? You want that?
Let's do betting, man.
You want that?
Real man.
You want that?
And then this has to be or this or right there. Why not? Let's do it, man.
Yeah. Get it, water!
Oh, thanks God.
It's not a
Thanks God. Oh, thanks
okay,
God.
okay, guys.
Oh, thanks
Okay.
God. Wow.
Guys, we don't want to do this, but
He chose it.
Yeah, it's OJ's choice.
Wow, seafood, seawater, right?
Under the sea, under the sea.
Wow.
My birthday present.
Yes.
I smell like. Wow, mention smell. Wow.
Think good.
Wow,
Think
Think
good.
about it. When I
This is yeah. Think like it's delicious anchovy, coffee bean, mineral water.
Don't look at me.
And kimchi. You can do it.
Wow.
Wow, looks so delicious.
Oh my god. Oh my god, anchovy is looking at me now. Oh.
존나 밀어. 존나 밀어.
Ang haba daw ng noodles.
존나 밀었어. 아. 존나 밀어 진짜.